Welcome to 600 Victoria Street, and this is Unit 24. There is one parking space available for this unit. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough here. Just a few short steps up and into Unit 24. When you step in the door, the first thing you're going to see, nice big patio door, lots of light, lots of ventilation. Turn and look the other way, you're going to see the kitchen and bathroom and a nice living area, and again another window, lots of light, lots of ventilation. Hard surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, two-piece bath on the main floor, lots of light. And just follow me downstairs. You're going to see it's all carpeted. Everything is new here. You've got 9-foot ceilings in these units. It's just fantastic. Turn to your right, first thing you're going to see, brand new stacking washer and dryer. Then the family bathroom. You've got a full tub and shower enclosure, the toilet, and the vanity, sink, mirror, and lights. So just step out of the unit. First bedroom. Again, we're just below grade, so a nice big window. Can be used as an exit or for just lots of light. Big double door closet here, lots of storage. Another bedroom, again, large window, lots of light, lots of ventilation. And here you've got a walk-in closet, lots of storage. So that's pretty much it for this unit. If you have any questions, please reach out and maybe we can arrange your private showing. Thanks, have a great day.